Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the phone number, now act. First, make sure the number includes the correct country code and no extra characters. Next, open Instagram, go to Settings, and enable Contacts Sync so the app can compare your address book to user accounts. Once done, trigger an upload by refreshing the Contacts section and selecting Follow Contacts. Make sure your app has permission to access contacts and the network. Without that, Instagram cannot match the number to accounts. If the contact sync doesn't show a result immediately, continue by searching the number in Instagram's search field and direct messages. Sometimes saved numbers appear in chat suggestions. Also inspect the Discover People recommendations after syncing, because matches can surface over time. When you find potential accounts, verify by checking profile photos, bio, linked accounts, story highlights, and mutual followers to confirm identity. This reduces. To finish, refine your search by trying different number formats including leading zeros or alternate country codes and resync contacts after each change. Keep in mind Instagram users can unlink or hide their phone number, and privacy settings or account type may prevent matching. If you still can't find them, check app permissions for contacts, clear the app cache, or reinstall Instagram. Sometimes server-side syncing delays require waiting a few hours. If problems persist, ask the person directly for their handle to avoid guessing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.